How to draw Tom Brady from the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing two lines going up and down in the center of the page. These two lines will help us make the left and right side of the hairline. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. Since you're watching a Tom Brady video, then I think it's safe to assume that you're a football fan. We have an entire playlist dedicated to NFL drawings, so if you want to see more videos just like this, then I'll be sure to include a playlist link down below. And keep in mind that we upload regularly, so if you want to see all of our latest content, be sure to subscribe. Nice! So now we have the hairline drawn. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the jawline, beginning on the left hand side and working our way all the way over to the right. Keep in mind that if you ever need an extra moment or two, then feel free to pause or rewind the video. Well done! Now we have the entire outline of the head drawn. Next, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the ears. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to draw two small shapes that look similar to small ovals. So right now we have the hairline drawn, but we haven't drawn the actual hair on the top of the head. So let's go ahead and draw the hair by connecting it to the ears that we just made together. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Oh, I'm really happy with how the hair came out for my drawing. I hope yours came out well. Now that we have the hair drawn, let's go into the inside of the face and let's draw the eyes. Each eye that I draw will look similar to an oval going up and down. We will color in the entire eye black, leaving a small white dot in the center. Next, above each of the eyes that we just made, we can go ahead and draw the eyebrows. Each of the eyebrows that we draw will look similar to slanted rectangles. Now in between and below the eyebrows and the eyes, we can go ahead and draw a simple nose by drawing a small U line. For the mouth of Tom Brady, we're going to draw a simple line going from left to right to make it appear as if he has a serious look on his face. Fantastic! So as of right now, we're all done drawing the detail for the face. Now we can go right below the head and we can begin to draw the neck along with the jersey. For the neck, we can draw two slanted lines connected to the head that are both the same length. So now to connect these two lines, we're going to draw a V line, which will also be the top part of the jersey. We're not going to add in any detail for the jersey just yet. For the next step, we're just going to want to simply draw the outline of the jersey. So let's begin by drawing two small curved lines on the left and right hand side. These two small curved lines will help us make the arm sleeves. In just a moment, we're going to connect these two curved lines that we just drew together to the neck right above to make the shoulders. Well done! So right now we have the head drawn along with both of the shoulders made, but right now there's a big opening in the bottom of our jersey, so in just a second, we'll go ahead and close that off. Nice! So now that we have the outline of the jersey drawn, we can now add in detail. I'll begin by drawing two small lines that are on the bottom arm sleeves. These two small lines will help us separate the colors of red from the rest of the jersey. So now, in that bottom open portion of the jersey, we're going to want to draw the numbers 1 and 2 to make Tom Brady's number 12. The format that we'll be drawing these numbers in will look similar to a blocky bubble letter format. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Fantastic, now we have the number 12 drawn, but before we're done, we still have to add in just a few more parts of detail. Next, we're going to want to draw an outline around the V. This will help us add in a red color separated from the rest of the jersey. Nice, now we're almost done. For the last step, on the shoulders, we're going to want to draw what will look like partial numbers of Tom Brady's number 12. So on the top left-hand shoulder, we're going to want to draw what will look like half of a number 2, and on the right-hand side, we're going to want to draw what will look like half of a number 1. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Tom Brady from the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. If you want to see any more videos just like this, then be sure to check out the playlist down below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.